Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a time paradox in the Trollge Multiverse. First, you must locate a temporal anomaly within a corrupted timeline. This requires a deep understanding of paradox mechanics and the ability to manipulate reality fragments. Be aware that attempting this can lead to unforeseen and often irreversible alterations to your current existence. Proceed with extreme caution. To initiate a paradox, you'll need a paradox catalyst. This is typically a chronal shard, harvested from a dimension experiencing severe temporal decay. Infuse it with a precise amount of existential dread, perhaps 3½ units, to stabilize its chaotic energy. Then, activate the catalyst at a location where past and future timelines briefly intersect, creating a ripple effect. Once the paradox begins, observe the unfolding distortions. Reality will warp, and timelines may visibly fray. It's crucial to avoid any direct interaction with alternate versions of yourself, as this can cause immediate and catastrophic timeline collapse. Focus on maintaining your mental stability, as the paradox will attempt to erode your very sense of self and purpose. The only way paradox is achieved when the temporal loop fully collapses and then attempts to self-correct, creating a unique, stable paradox. You must then integrate the profound, often horrifying, knowledge gained from this event into your consciousness. Surviving the subsequent reality reset with your memories intact is the ultimate goal, granting you unparalleled insight into the multiverse's true nature.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.